Good afternoon, basketball fans. We are live here at University of Nueva Cáceres Sports Palace to our championship game. I'm Coach J.R. Pargo. Together with me is David Joshua Bernales. Good afternoon,
Good
partner.
afternoon, partner.
At ito, aabangan natin ang PCCL regional qualifying para sa atin championship. It's Ateneo De Naga University versus the Amando College of Green Serpents. Okay, partner, ito pag-uusapan natin ngayon
Yes.
ang pagpanalo ng Ateneo laban sa kanilang katunggaling UNC kahapon at ang ACC naman pinataob ang defending
Defending
regional
champion.
champion way back 2019 na Annunciation Panthers.
Grabe.
Partner, ano ang aabangan at mangyayari sa larong ito?
Ang kailangan abangan ng ating mga viewers, partner, is yung fast-paced offense ng ating Green Serpents and yung opensa rin ng ating ng ating Golden Knights, Blue Knights na pati.
Yeah, at ito partner, ito ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Kung paano natin tatahakin play by play
Yes.
ang Ateneo Golden Knights kung saan ang Amando College is the first runner-up ng Pccl Season 4.
Yes,
Pero
partner.
ito, partner, nagtapat na to. Pccl Season 4 kung saan tinalo ng Amando College ang Ateneo. Pero down the wire ang nangyari yon. Kaya mga viewers natin from FB Live, abangan nyo po ang pagtutunggali muli ng Ateneo Golden Knights versus the Annunciation ay the Amando College ay Green Serpents. At ito partner, malaking bagay na sila ay nandito ngayon sa ating regional qualifying tournament ng pinakakaabangan nag-iisang Collegiate Champions League ng bansa.
And sa tingin ko, partner, ang mananalo dito is makaka-secure na sila ng slot para
Yes,
bukas sa
opo,
South Luzon qualifier.
Tama ka dyan. Very good, David Joshua. At dito, kung saan ang magcha-champion po dito ay uusad bukas para sa isang slot ng South Luzon Championship kung saan naabangan po nyo ang lahat ng schools from South Luzon. Pero before that, partner, i-turn over muna natin sa ating courtside reporter ang nag-iisa at pinaka-multi-titled coach ng
Yes.
bansa. Idol ko to. Si Coach Jolie pa, together with our courtside reporter, Kim. Kim, take it away.
Well, thank you, Burns and Russell. Good afternoon sa inyo. And of course, magandang hapon mga kaibigan at sa lahat ng basketball fans na nakatutok po ngayon dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon sa pagpapatuloy ng ating PCCL 2023 Regional Qualifying Round. Alam nyo ba mga kaibigan, may kasama tayong very special person this afternoon. He is a multi-awarded coach, a multi-titled coach, and one of the Philippines for various champion teams. At alam niyo po ba mga kaibigan, siya lang naman po ang founder ng Philippine Collegiate Champions League way back 2002. And to talk about how this league started, kasama po natin ngayon the one and the only Coach Jose Lipa. Coach Joe?
Thank you so much, Kate. Baka na exaggerated na pagkakadescribe mo sa akin. And good afternoon to all basketball fans here in Naga City.
Coach Joe, eto Coach, kwento mo naman po sa amin how this league started and what was the reason why you established such a wonderful league para po sa ating mga basketball players dito sa Pilipinas.
You know, before the establishment of the PCCL, there were very few collegiate leagues all over the country. Okay? There were, and in fact, and because of the lack of basketball leagues, their basketball development of players were more or less hindered. And most of them migrate from Manila, from the province of Manila. And, you know, in other words, very limited opportunities for young men to show their ways in basketball. So we thought that maybe we could do something about it, and we organized the PCCL. Our vision for the PCCL was for it the showcase, okay, for the coaches, players, and officials to share their talents and skills in the game of basketball.
I couldn't agree enough, Coach Joe, kasi if we will scan the history of marami ng mga basketball players ang namayagpag na galing sa PCCL at nakapunta na sa iba't ibang liga, sa iba't ibang teams at tumatak talaga. Yan ang sinasabi nga galing PCCL. At Coach Joe, ano po ba ang mensahe natin para po sa ating mga manonood? Imbitahan mo naman po sila.
Well, to all of the basketball and all of the participants.
At po, Coach, Green Serpents versus Ateneo Golden Knights. Any message for all right, and that's it for this quick interview. Once again, it's Coach Joe Lipa, the founder of PCCL. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Russell. Thank you.
Burns, maraming salamat, Kim, sa iyong pag-interview sa the one and only, the founder of the PCCL, Coach Joe Lipa. Alam mo, partner, napakaganda na vision, mission na sinabi ni Coach Joe Lipa kung bakit tinatag niya ang Collegiate Championship League dito sa Pilipinas nang dahil sa kulang daw ang exposure ng mga players natin.
So, para sa akin, Coach, no, is yung ginawa ni Coach Lipa is binigyan niya ng opportunity yung mga players niya na yung mga players dito locally and sa ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas na i-showcase yung kanilang mga talento when it comes to the game of basketball.
Yeah, partner, tama yun. At alam mo, marami siyang natulungan at maraming na-produce ang PCCL na nakapunta sa PBA and also the basketball abroad. Marami silang experience dito. So, with that, partner, tuwan-tuwa ang mga ating viewers nakita the one and only Coach Joe Lipa. Partner, eto naman, i-interviewin naman ng ating courtside reporter na si Cass, ang head coach ng Faith College, si Coach Lito Aren. So, Cass, take it away.
Live na ba? Magis Wednesday, Bicolandia, bringing you the latest news and updates from the courtside. This is Kazandra Saton, your courtside reporter in this year's Philippine Collegiate Champions League Regional Championship match. You know what? We are very lucky today because right now we have the representative of UCCL, the largest basketball league in Calabarzon. He is also the sports director of Faith Colleges of Tanawan City, Batangas, Bicolandia. Allow me to introduce Coach Lito Arim. Coach, magandang hapon. Lucky to view how be called to watch the Philippine Collegiate Championship League region.
Well, first, syempre, nakita ko yung warm reception sa mga visitor na natutuwa kami at nagkaroon kami ng chance na Philippine Collegiate Champions League, no? At ito nga dito sa City ginawa. So marami rin tayong kaibigan dito, no? Masaya na isama ko yung team namin dito, no, sa Naga.
Ayan, Coach, we are also happy to have you here. Coach, since we are going to witness you together with your team tomorrow, ano po ba ang dapat naming abangan team?
Exciting syempreng maglaro yan, ano? Nagpo-focus kami sa defense, no? So bibigyan namin ng magandang laro yung mga makakalaro namin dito sa Naga City.
That's very good to know, Coach. We are currently live po. Baka may gusto kayong batian o pasalamatan, go ahead. This is your chance po.
To, of course, Dr. Mario Villanueva, the president of NCF, hosting this event. Of course, I would like to greet yung mga teams namin sa UCCL, no? Ini-encourage ko sila syempre ituloy yung improvement each day para nang sa ganon mapaghandaan namin yung susunod na season at hopefully next year sila rin naman ang makarating dito sa PCCL, no? Yeah, maraming salamat. Good afternoon sa ating lahat.
Ayan, thank you very much, Coach. It's an honor to have you here with us. And that's the latest update from the courtside. Watch the exclusive live coverage brought to you by GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Cass, sa napaka gandang interview
Yes.
sa head coach ng Faith College and at the same time sports director
Oo.
from Tanawan City, Batangas. Partner, makikita mo kung gaano siya na-overwhelmed sa reception ang pag-asikaso ng mga taga Naga City.
Yes, partner.
Lalong-lalo na pinasalamatan si Pccl President
Oo.
Engineer Mario C. Villanueva. So partner, talagang matutunghayan natin dito at bukas magsisimula ang South Luzon Championship.
And talaga nga naman na kaabang-abang ang mga kaganapan na mangyayari bukas. Pero bago yan, partner, tutukan natin ang magaganap na labanan dito as the Golden Knights will face the Green Serpents for this championship to secure their slot in the South Luzon
Last
qualifiers.
slot na lang yan
Oo.
para bukas sa South Luzon. Kaya mga kabasketball fans, tutumutok lang po tayo dito sa UNC Sports Palace at abangan ang tunggalian ng Ateneo Golden Knights versus the Amando College of the Tabaco Albay.
And ayan na nga, partner, no? Pinakilala na natin ang ating mga teams ng ACC at ng Golden Knights. First five na dito, pupunta sa gitna ang both teams. Ateneo with Fulgar, Monay, Acebor, Almario, and Beltran as their first five into the center court dito as we begin this championship match to secure a slot para sa ating South Luzon Championship na magaganap bukas hanggang sa linggo, which is April 23.
Ayun, yun. Speaking of the South Luzon Championship, kaabang-abang ang mga teams na maglalaban-laban bukas. Mga champions rin sa kanilang liga from Cavite, Laguna, and Batangas. And of course, our very own Pccl champion, the NCF Tigers. And sinong mag-a-advance dito, Burns, mananalo dito, makakalaban rin yung mga champions ng mga league sa mga lugar na nabanggit.
And let's start the ball game with Ateneo getting that tip in. Acebor with the ball to begin the offense para sa Golden Knights. Acebor passes to Almario, doesn't get that shot in.
Sa bola ngayon ng ating ACC, we have Liantero finding Advincula. Advincula fires for long three. Shot is off.
Fulgar now with the rebound, gives it to Monay, the point guard of the Golden Knights. Acebor here, passes to Fulgar. Fulgar, mid-range, that's good. Puts Ateneo in the scoreboard to start this championship match.
Leantero now. Passes to the wingman, Acabado. Nagar fires for 3 and that's good.
3-pointer there by Nagar is good. 1-point lead ngayon ang Green Serpents. Almario to Fulgar. Papasahan siya. Asibor. Asibor with 14. Passes to Almario. A 3-pointer here. In and out. Monay with that offensive rebound. Monay to Asibor. Asibor setting up.
Beautiful
That's a
steal
steal.
there by Acabado. 2 points. Nice defense by the Green Serpents.
Monay ngayon magdadala ng bola para sa Golden Knights. Guarded by Nagar. Hihingi ng screen si Monay. Bibigyan niya kay Asibor. Asibor along 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Fulgar tries. Gets that basket in. 2 points.
Nagar now has the ball. Advincula. Leantero. Swing it back to Advincula. Acabado. Kicks it out to Leantero. The corner 3.
Ball possession dito ngayon ng Golden Knights. 7 minutes 46 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. 1-point lead hawak ngayon ng ating Golden Knights. Asibor will inbound the ball. Gets to Fulgar. And dito na mag-uumpisa ang opensa ulit ng Golden Knights. Pero bago yan, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kaz from the side of the Golden Knights. Kaz, ano ang update dyan sa iyo?
Hi, Joshua and Russell. Ateneo Golden Knights and UNC Greyhounds manifested a tough game yesterday as both teams are trying their best to win the elimination round. Golden Knights made it to the regional championship game against ACC Green Serpents. Earlier, the Golden Knights had a brief game review for them to identify the factors that they need to learn, relearn, and unlearn for them to succeed in this match. They are hoping that all of them learn from their shortcomings from the last season of Pccl as it serves as their motivation and foundation to become better as an individual and as a team. That's the latest update from the court side. Back to you, Joshua and Russell.
Yan, maraming salamat Kaz for that update on the side of our Golden Knights. Pero going back dito sa ating hard court, a foul was called there on the Green Serpents, which will put Almario on the line to make his free throws. Almario's first shot, no good.
Hindi bihira yung pinagdaanan kahapon ng ACC.
Partner.
Napakagandang laro. From first quarter to third quarter, nagkahabol sila sa annunciation and they extend the game to a overtime. And yun na nga, naipanalo nila ang laro nila laban sa annunciation. And back to the ball game tayo. Bolang yon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Number 99, Kabahug.
Asibor gets that rebound. Secures it for Ateneo. Asibor to Fulgar. Fulgar spins, stops, passes to the corner. That's a 3-pointer. No good. Whistle called by the referee.
At kanina nga na mapakinggan natin ang update sa side ng Golden Knights. Ngayon naman tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the side of the Green Serpents. Hi Kim, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Well, thank you, Burns and Russell. Coming from a fresh redemption win against the Panthers yesterday, the NECC Green Serpents are back here at the UNC Sports Palace to wrap their opponents up as they attempt to claim the South Luzon Championship slot. Bagamat manalo kahapon, batid ng Green Serpents na hindi pa rin daw biro ang tatahakin nilang landas ngayon as they go up against the Ateneo Golden Knights. But with determinations and lessons learned from yesterday's game, they will give everything that they've got Samantala, kwento naman ni Coach John, dapat daw palagi lang nakasmile at puso. Pero ewan niya lang daw ngayon. Team kung sino ang may puso hanggat matapos siya ang panalo. Now let's see Burns and Russell if the ACC Green Serpents will be able to get the South Luzon Championship slot. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Kim, sa update sa side ng ating Green Serpents.
Whistle called here by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Kabahog.
Pero kung babalikan natin kanina, Burns, napakagandang play from the Green Serpents.
Monay will inbound the ball dito para sa Golden Knights. Asibor with that ball. Passes to Fulgar. Turns the ball over dito para sa Ateneo.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Advincula. Kabahog fires for 3.
Asibor with that rebound. Trying to leave his defender here, Acabado. Passes to Fulgar. That's another turnover para kay Fulgar dito.
Bullet pass to Kabado. Akala ko clear block pero tatawagan doon ng shooting foul si Almario.
Late whistle by the referee. Nina. Two
Pero-
shots dito ngayon para kay Acabado.
A nice hustle para kay Almario doon. Defending the rim.
Pero medyo maraming errors dito si Fulgar. Picking up back-to-back turnovers dito. Kailangan nilang maayos yan kung gusto nilang maging successful dito sa kanilang championship match.
Yes, I agree, partners. And on the line, we have Acabado. First attempt is off. And quick shoutout tayo dito. Shoutout sa'yo, Aika Peña, Nathaniel Peña, and Gigi Peña. Happy viewing. And for our online Facebook viewers, please don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages.
Pero yan, back to the ball game tayo dito. Asibor with the ball, passes to Almario, and another whistle was called here by the referee. Another foul called on Kabahog.
Not a good start para sa ating Green Serpents. Nasa penalty situation na ang ating Golden Knights, under 5 minutes remaining time sa ating first period.
First shot ni Almario is good. Only a 2-point lead na lang ang hawak ng Green Serpents dito. Almario with his second shot. That's good. Perfect from the line, Almario.
Nagarnao has the ball. As Advincula, swing to Acabado for 3.
Beautiful three-pointer there by Acabado. Whistle here by the referee on Acabado. That's another foul. Tension is lighting up early on in this quarter para sa ating championship matchup dito, and makikita natin sa ating instant replay kung ano yung nangyari. Medyo nagkatulakan pa si Acabado and si Madridano dito. First shot by Madridano is no good. Second shot by Madridano, still no good. Pero nakuha niya yung kanyang miss na offensive rebound by Madridano here. Almario passes to Fulgar. Fulgar extra pass to the inside. Madridano spins, tries, no good.
Good rebound there by Advincula. Acabado fires for 3.
Fulgar gets that rebound. Asibor now with the ball. Heavily guarded by Acabado here. Asibor spins, Passes to the outside. Almario a 3. No good para kay Almario. Fulgar gets it to Almario. Almario inside, outside. Asibor. Bang! 3-pointer para kay Asibor dito.
Walang yan ang ating Green Serpents. Nagar, sasagutin si Asibor.
Madridano gets that rebound for Asibor. Balik opensa ulit ang Golden Knights dito. Almario crossing over his defender, steps back, 3, no good. Still Ateneo ball as Advincula gets that ball out of bounds.
Papasok na si Sakulo at si Bron. And kung babalikan natin yung laro nila kahapon, napakagandang laro ni Sakulo. And siya nga ang best player of the game natin kahapon. Hindi ako nagkakamali, 24 points.
Yes, partner.
Ginagawa ni Sakulo doon.
Pero yan, Ateneo on the offense here. Asibor. Heavily guarded by Sakulo. Asibor goes inside. Layup. No good. Almost an offensive rebound there, and the players are on the ground. It's going to be a foul called on Aguilar.
Ball possession ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Advincula will inbound the ball. Three minutes and 2 seconds sa ating first period. Isa lang ang lamang ng ating Green Serpents. A chance to extend their lead. Nagar. Passes to Advincula. Bron, the eyes cut there by number 15. Pero andun si number 5 ng ating Green Serpents for a putback, Almario.
Almario sa Golden Knights, Almario din sa Green Serpents. Pero Asibor passes to Aguilar. Aguilar, extra pass to the outside. Monaya 3, no good.
Rebounded by Nagar. Will pass to Sakulo. Stepping on the line, turnover sa side ng ating Green Serpents.
Substitution dito, Magno for Monay. 2 minutes, 22 seconds remaining dito. Magno will inbound the ball. Aureliano did not play yesterday, pero ngayon nandito na siya sa loob ng ating playing court. Kapalit kay Asibor. Magno with the ball here para sa Golden Knights, making the offense para sa kanyang team. Almario, hiningi ang bola, guarded by Almario. Mario gets that ball over, and that's gonna be a turnover para sa side ng Ateneo.
3-point lead ang hawak ng ating Green Serpents. Nagar. That's a traveling violation. Back-to-back turnover sa side ng ating Green Serpents. Number 21 of the Green Serpents will enter the court. Basaysay.
Magno again with the ball para sa Ateneo. Magno naghahanap ng mapapasahan, heavily guarded by the Serpents. Magno goes inside, layup, that's good! Derecho, deal si Magno getting that 2-pointer.
Sakulo ngayon, didiskarte. Balik kay Basaysay. Almario kicks out to Advincula. Sakulo, corner 3.
No good, rebound there by Aguilar. Aureliano passes to Madridano, to Magno, layup, masyadong malakas. Put back by Madridano is no good para dito sa Ateneo.
Advincula now.
That's a steal. Pero may whistle ang ating referee, signaling for a foul on Advincula.
That's the second, kung di ako nagkakamali. Second personal na ni Advincula. Foul trouble ang ating Green Serpents. Di ba kahapon parang naging foul trouble rin ang ating Green Serpents? Kung
Yes, partner.
early, no? Pero they still manage. And sino ba yung may na out of the game ba for committing a foul
Sa ano yun?
Annunciation natin.
Annunciation
Sa
yung
annunciation yun.
na
Okay.
out of the playing court kahapon si Salvacion, isa sa mga bigs ng ating Panthers. Pero yan, going back sa ating ball game dito, out of bounds. Dito si Madridano, turnover para sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Down to the last 1 minute and 9 seconds ng ating first quarter. We have a tie ball game here. That clock 15. Sakulo.
That's a block pero may whistle ang ating referee dito. Foul called on Madridano.
Foul call to number 7, Madridan.
Kita natin sa ating instant replay kanina yung block na yon. Medyo may tapik talaga si Madridano doon.
Sakulo, the first attempt is off. And shoutout sa'yo, Maria Janel Jumano, Julie Atutubo, and Leland San Juan.
Shoutout din kay Ate Jonabel na nanonood dito sa loob ng ating Sports Palace. Pero ayun, whistle by the referee. Ball possession ngayon ng Golden Knights. Valia will inbound the ball. Full court trapping ngayon ang Green Serpents. Tapik palabas ni Bron ang bola. Ball possession pa rin dito ng Ateneo. Madridano. Passes to Aguilar. Intercepted by Almario.
Almario! At makakakuha pa ng foul. Dalawa pa lang Almario natin dito.
Oo.
Almario from ACC yan. Almario din.
Almario Green and Almario Blue. Para mas
Parang,
madali nating ma-identify,
Oo.
partner.
Ang second personal foul na
Oo.
rin to ni Madridano.
Papahinga muna siya dito. Papalit dito si Beltran for the Golden Knights.
On the line, he'll shoot his bonus shot to make a 3-point play. Almario.
Does not complete the 3-point play there. Rebound by Beltran. Passes to Valia. Pass break sila dito. Valia layup. Goes all the way. No good sa kanyang attempt. Pero may foul dito. 2 shots ngayon para kay Valia.
First personal foul. May Sakulo here.
In and out sa kanyang first shot si Valle. One more chance para kay Valle dito. No good. Pero may offensive rebound si Beltran dito. Passes to Aureliano. Aureliano, quick trigger 3. No good.
Rebounded by Basaysay. Basaysay, diretso. Extra pass to Sakulo. Sakulo, fadeaway shot is off.
Aureliano passes to Beltran. Open for that easy 2-pointer. We are tied now at 17 with 5 seconds on the clock.
We have Almario at makakakuha pa ng foul doon. Para Magno.
That's gonna be a
Nasa
foul
penalty.
called on Magno.
Nasa penalty situation na rin ang ating Green Serpents. First attempt of Almario is off. And from the Cuarto, sorry. Shout out kay Dwayne Miguel. Second shot is off. And that's the end of our first period. Then we have A tie ball game here. Deadlock 17 ang ating talaan. Tutok lang, wag na wag kayong alis dito sa ating championship game ng ating regional qualifier, Philippine Collegiate Champions League. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga na mga kampiyon. We will be right back.
And we are back live dito sa UNC Sports Palace para sa ating championship match ng regional qualifiers ng PCCL 2023. Tie ball game tayo dito ngayon sa pagpasok ng second quarter. 17-17 ang ating score. Intense matchup by the Golden Knights and the Green Serpents sa ating first quarter. Pero ayan, ball possession ngayon ng ating Green Serpents.
Quick shoutout muna tayo dito from Jaja Lopez. Shoutout kay Ruel Christian Nazania Navarro. Happy birthday. Back to the ball game tayo. Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Basay-say. Left is over. Heavily guarded by Asibor. Nice defense there by Asibor. This out to Sakulo. Pass pass to Lantero. Fakes. Gandang cut nun.
Gandang passing there.
By Basay-say.
Green Serpents now on the lead. Fulgar with the ball on the offense para sa Ateneo. Asibor to the corner. Valle goes inside, spins, passes to the outside. Asibor penetrates, layup. That's good. Tie ball game ulit tayo dito.
Basay-say.
Almario.
In and out, sayang nun.
Valle ngayon, fast break para sa Golden Knights. Muntik pang mabitawan ng bola. Valle to Asibor. Asibor balik kay Valle, a 3-pointer. Bang! That's good! Ateneo on the lead here.
Basay-say now will make a move. Septo. Sakulo, revenge 3-pointer. Too strong.
Rebound by Fulgar there. Kahit dalawa yung sumabay kanina. Valle with the ball. He needs to get that ball over. It's gonna be an 8-second violation para sa side ng Ateneo.
And unforced error para sa ating Golden Knights. Bolang yon ng ating Green Serpents. And shoutout sa iyo, Jonas Kuya. Happy viewing. And we have a substitution here. Advincula, Acabado, and Nagar will enter the court. The Green Serpents, you only have 14 seconds to shoot the basketball. Sakulo. Advincula fires for a long three.
Beltran gets that foul. Bron with that foul on Beltran. First team foul dito ngayon para sa ating Green Serpents. Valle to inbound the ball with a full court trapping defense here by the Green Serpents. Fulgar gets that inbound. Fulgar passes to Aureliano. Aureliano inside pass to Beltran. No good. Offensive rebound. Tries again. Valle, three-pointer. Wala pa rin.
Nagar now.
Aureliano with a steal. Fast break Ateneo. Aureliano steps. Layup. No good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. 2 shots ngayon para kay Aureliano.
That's the second team foul ng ating Green Serpents. Foul yun, manggagaling kay Advincula. And shoutout sa'yo, Tita Son. Happy viewing.
Second shot, Aureliano. That's good. Perfect from the line, Aureliano. 5-point lead by Ateneo here.
Advincula now. Acabado will make a move. Beautiful reverse layup here by Acabado.
Gandang layup doon by the former Golden Knight, Acabado. Pero yan, Asibor. Newly dubbed Golden Knight here with the ball possession para sa Ateneo. Extra pass, pick and roll. That's a foul by Advincula. 2 shots ngayon para kay Beltran. Magandang pick and roll sana yon, partner, ni Asibor and Beltran.
Kahapon, no? Nakita rin natin yung mga magagandang bounce
Oo.
pass ni Asibor.
Magandang court vision dito ni Asibor. Pero yan, timeout called by the Green Serpents, mga kaibigan. 24-21, 3-point lead ng Golden Knights. Huwag kayong bibitiw, magbabalik po kami.
Yan, we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace para sa ating championship matchup ng ating regional qualifiers of the Philippine Collegiate Champions League. The winner of this game will advance tomorrow the South Luzon Championship and will face the champions from different leagues from Batangas, Cavite, Laguna. Nagar. Passes to Septo. Bounce pass to the big man inside the paint at makakuha ng foul doon si Coronejo. And tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter. Hi Kim, kamusta? Mamaya babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim sa side ng ating Green Serpents.
Ateneo ngayon ang nasa opensa. Valle to Fulgar. Fulgar dito. Passes to Asibor. Asibor controlling the play para sa Golden Knights. Asibor passes to Valle. Valle a 3. That's good! 3-pointer para kay Valle.
And ngayon, tawagin na natin ang ating courtside reporter. Hi Kim, kamusta? Anong update sa side ng Green Serpents?
Thank you, Burns and Russell. Good ball movement equates to good transition. That's how Coach John sees the play to work on their advantage after pointing out their committed fouls early on this game and an effective response when causing turnovers. Now on the second quarter, ano ni Coach, what's our mindset? If there's a turnover, get over it, proceed with your position, work on move. As we can see, Burns, the Green Serpents are really trying to get this championship as it would not only mean a victory for the team but also a new historic mark for the ACC community pagdating dito sa PCCL. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Burns and Russell.
Very much Kim sa napakagandang update sa side ng ating Green Serpents. The first attempt is off para kay Sakulo. Back to the ball game tayo under 6 minutes remaining time sa ating second period, 28-21. 7-point lead ng Golden Knights. Last attempt. That's good.
5 minutes, 59 seconds remaining dito, mga kaibigan, sa ating first half. Fulgar with the ball, heavily guarded here by the Green Serpents. Monay. Guarded by Sakulo. Monay passes to Almario. 10 seconds to shoot here for Almario. Nabitawan pa yung bola. Monay goes inside. Layup. No good.
Beautiful rebound there by the Green Serpent. Sakulo, atake. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Nice D by Monay.
Golden Knights here with the possession. Six-point lead ngayon ang hawak ng Ateneo. Madridano with the ball. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Almario. Almario penetrates. Stops. Layup. No good. Offensive rebound pero stripped away by Nagar. Pero bago yan, tawagin muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kaz to give us an update on the side of the Golden Knights. Kaz?
Russell, during the huddle, Coach Nuki reminds the players of their roles and responsibilities as well as consider the current situation of Aureliano, who was injured during their last tune-up game against NCF Tigers. Now that we are in the second quarter, Golden Knights still leading the game. They have to continue making effort and showing determination. Moreover, Coach Nuki tapped the guards to be alert when they are on the hard court and always do what is expected of them to do, which is based on the roles that are given to them. That's the latest update from the court side. Back to you, Joshua and Russell.
Yan, maraming salamat Kaz for your update on the side of our Golden Knights. Pero yan, tumawag ng timeout dito si Coach Nuki to make some changes para sa kanya. Pero yan, sa ating instant replay, dunk of the game by the former Golden Knight. Acabado Grabe. Napakaswabe ng dunk na yon.
And at this point, pasalamatan natin ang ating sponsors. We have Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Converge ICT Solution, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, 3N Bakery, Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Gold Blufa Construction, Replica Printing Services, Mayon Avenue, Bite Swag Catering Services, Pacific Cross Philippines, and Bihag Burger, Saling Manok House of Lechon, and Winner Kitchen, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF Driving School, AAT Ads, NCF Wings because Tigers can have wings, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, and Wow Worlds of Water. Thank you very much to our dearest sponsors.
Back to the ball game tayo dito ngayon. Ateneo on the offense here. Monay to inbound the ball. Gets to Asibor. 10 seconds to shoot. Asibor stops, pops, mid-range, no good. Whistle by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Madridano.
That's the third personal foul ni Madridano. Nagar finding Acabado, fires for 3. Offensive rebound by Bron. Sakulo. That's too strong, pero nandun si Nagar for a putback.
Asibor ngayon. Gandang depensa sana niya kay Sakulo kanina. Pero may putback doon ang Green Serpents. Pero ayan, Asibor, extra pass to Beltran. Gets that 2-pointer. That's beautiful.
Nagar ngayon didiskarte. Bron kicks it out to Acabado. That's from number 19, Jerome Almario. That's the second personal foul of Jerome Almario. Sakulo. Acabado fires for 3.
Almario ngayon. Nasa opensa para sa Ateneo. Passes to Asibor. Asibor 3. No good. Out of bounds.
Too strong para ay Asibor. Substitutions here. Pulgar will enter the court. Bron. Pass it back to Nagar. Nagar, beautiful pass there. Nice court
Napakaganda
vision.
naman nun. Beautiful court vision there by Nagar. Getting that pass on to the inside for his big man. Pero ayan, Monay to Asibor. Asibor to Monay. Monay hihingi ng screen dito. Goes inside, passes to the outside. Almario. No good. Pero out of bounds dito ng Green Serpents. Still Ateneo ball. Substitution, papasok si Almario Green. Monay. Passes to Pulgar. Pulgar goes inside, open for that layup, no good, pero may foul. Ang ating referee dito. 2 shots ngayon para kay Pulgar.
That's the first personal foul of Cornejo.
And syempre sa lahat ng ating mga manonood, don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami pa ang makapagpanood at sumuporta sa ating PCCL.
Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Almario. Pass it back. Napagandang ball movement ng ating Green Serpents here. Coroneo getting that offensive rebound. Plus a points.
Asibor with the ball. Mamadali. Floater. No good. Pero may offensive rebound si Pulgar. Into the hands of Asibor. To Almario. To Monay. 3-pointer. No good. Out of bounds. Bola ngayon ng Green Serpents.
Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Nagar di diskarte. Acabado will fire for a 3. Kaboom!
Green Serpents now on the lead sa ating ball game na ito. Pulgar goes inside. Nabitawan ng bola. Scrambles for the ball. Sibor lalabas dito. Aureliano will go inside. Ball possession dito ngayon ng Golden Knights. "14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds to make a play para sa Ateneo. Almario to Aguilar. To Aureliano. Balik kay Aguilar. Aguilar posting up. Goes inside. 2-pointer. Strong D there by the Green Serpents. Pero that's a 2-pointer by Aguilar.
Acabado now. Finding his teammate. The pass to Almario. Bring it back to Acabado. Nice fakes there. Beautiful move by Acabado.
Aureliano, fast break to Almario. Layup. That's good para kay Almario. Sila na ngayon ang may kalamangan sa ballgame na ito.
Back-to-back points para sa ating Golden Knights. Almario. Nagar. Acabado once again for 3.
Almario gets that rebound. Fast break dito ang Ateneo. Passes to Aguilar. To the corner. Aureliano. No good. Offensive rebound. No good. Pero may foul dito. Nakita ang ating referee.
Almine is on the line.
First shot, no good para kay Almine. Almine with his second shot, no good.
Another 35 seconds remaining time sa ating second period. Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Bagar. "21 seconds remaining time." At napatawag ng timeout to make the last play si Coach John Rodriguez. Don't go anywhere. Tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back here live at the UNC Sports Palace. Championship game para sa ating regional qualifiers. Green Serpents versus the Golden Knights. Nagar, di diskarte with 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Okay, that's a shot clock violation sa side ng ating Green Serpents. Timeout called by the Golden Knights. Gagawa rin ng last play si Coach Nuki. Magbabalik po kami.